Planting ginger with composted branch soil. Even the mother rhizomes buried in soil for half a year can still be used. Last April, I mixed fermented branch compost with garden soil to create a light organic potting mix. Branch compost is made by composting twigs and leaves. I filled bags with the organic soil and planted ginger pieces with buds into them. 2 bags held 6 seed pieces. I added dry leaves inside to prevent the soil from drying out. And once decomposed, they also provide nutrients. Water regularly to keep moist. After 48 days in the sun, the ginger seedlings grew true leaves, 2 or 3 leaves each. By day 70, seedlings had taken shape. Each bag had 4 to 5 strong shoots. Lifting the leaves showed rhizomes starting to swell. They must not be exposed. Add more nutrient soil to cover, about 10 centimeters thick. Exposure to light can stop ginger growth. With more soil added, the seedlings grew much faster. By day 119, the plants looked denser. New shoots appeared continuously. I worried nutrients inside the bags weren't enough, so I kept adding more organic soil. By day 172, with the organic boost, growth was even more vigorous, taller than a person. The base shoots had grown from 4 or 5 originally to more than a dozen now, and still increasing. I kept adding organic soil, and the bags grew taller and taller. By day 206, the leaves were extremely lush, kept alive with frequent watering. Suddenly, I spotted something cone-shaped like a pine cone. It turned out to be a ginger flower bud, which is rare. By day 234, leaves began to yellow. The rhizomes also started changing, yet new shoots still kept sprouting. I decided to wait a little longer. At day 246, the most exciting moment arrived. Cutting open the plastic bags quickly, I uncovered soil full of ginger plants and rhizomes. Checking the second bag, digging through the soil was so satisfying. Every time I pulled back the soil, I touched ginger beneath. There was just so much. This was the yield from just 1 bag. The harvest was truly plentiful. A whole cluster of ginger tied with thick stems. I washed another batch clean to see how it formed in the soil. It grew very densely. Ginger planting really is high yield. Look at the color. And, surprisingly, the original seed rhizomes planted hadn't rotted away and still looked usable for cooking.